You probably clicked on this video because you want to know how to manifest everything that you put on your vision board. I'm going to tell you how to do that and how I've done that the past 3 years. Before we get into it, I'm going to share with you what I'm going to go over. By the way, hello, my name is Jessica. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe if you want to see more things mindset, manifesting, all the good things. First one are mistakes to avoid when manifesting and creating your vision board. How do they exactly work? Why is it good to have a vision board? Why vision boards are personal and why you may or may not want to create them by yourself or with others. Key points when manifesting, how we use our vision boards. And we're gonna start with things to avoid, okay? These are mistakes that I have made and I've learned from and y'all want to avoid. The first one is don't overwhelm yourself with the process, okay? I believe in goals. I believe in goal setting. Yes, I believe in timeframes to an extent, but being strict on like deadlines, I don't believe in that. And when it comes to manifestation, we don't worry about the how or the when. That's left up to the universe, God, source, your higher self, whatever you believe in. That's what they decide, okay? So don't be strict on the deadline. Like, oh my gosh, everything I put on this board has to be done by December of 2023. Also, real quick, just want to point this out. It's okay if it's like January, February, March of 2023 and you want to create it now. There's no rules. You can create a vision board whenever you want. Anyway, you don't have to create your vision board to be ready by January 1st. It's okay if it's a week after, a month later. 2 years ago, I moved to Miami on January 15th. So I didn't even want to do my vision board until after I got there. So it wasn't ready until February. And I manifested like 85% of the things that were on the board. You want to shift your mindset and have, I'll see it when I believe it, okay? Have you ever heard of blind faith? In the Santa Claus, they say seeing isn't believing. Believing is seeing. You don't have to see something to know that it's real. You just have to believe. It's like Santa Claus. It's literally blind faith. That's basically like manifesting. What do you want to manifest? Pretend you have a magic wand and you are the creator of your life, because you are. Okay, next up. How do they work? Jessica, how do vision boards actually work? You're taking the law of attraction, right? The Secret, the movie of The Secret, and you're basically working with that law through pictures. You put pictures on your vision board. Like attracts like. That's what the law of attraction is. Bringing into reality what you believe you can have. All it is energy, right? Positive, negative, negative. It's actually science. That's what manifesting is. That's what law of attraction is. That's what the vision board is used as for a tool to support you in manifesting. So the vision board is basically telling your subconscious mind what to focus on to bring it into the reality that you live in. Because our subconscious mind understands pictures, symbols, metaphors, subliminal messages. So when you put pictures and symbols on your vision board, every time you see it, it's communicating with your subconscious mind, which is your deepest part of your mind that speaks to the universe, God, source, whatever you believe in, and it does the work. Because manifestation is a co-creation. It's not just you have other things, energies that are helping you create this. Like God, if you believe in God, or the universe, or your higher self, right? Because I'm sure you believe in yourself. Whatever you believe in. Now, I want to talk about something called the reticular activating system, just so y'all can have a little more understanding of why this is actually science and why this stuff isn't just made up. So that's the part of your brain that picks up on things that you like and that you keep focusing on. The RAS is actually at work when you tell yourself like, hey, I want this G-Wagon. Hey, I want this life partner. Hey, I want this business. Hey, I want this feeling. If you're manifesting a G-Wagon and all of a sudden you start seeing G-Wagons everywhere, it's not because everyone just started buying them. It's because you're becoming more aware of it and your RAS inside is now picking up on these things that are in your reality. And it's like the RAS is like, hey, Jess, here's the G-Wagon. Hey, Jess, here it is again. Here it is again. Why is it good to have a vision board? Putting pictures and symbols, like I already said, is one of the biggest things when it comes to these vision boards that will actually support you in doing it. Some people put words, If you're gonna put words, I recommend keeping it very short, like 1 word, maybe 2 words, keep it short. You could go on Pinterest and get a picture that reminds you of X, Y, and Z, because only you know that. Without a vision, you can't hit a target that you don't have. So if you put this vision board together, you have a vision and it's on paper for you and it's in your presence. You see it every day. It's like having a destination in your life's GPS system. Your GPS will show you exactly how to get there. If you have the vision, if you have the where you want to go. Oh my God, let me show you my dog. If y'all are curious what you're hearing, it's this cutie. His name is Dusty and he's just look at his teeth. Oh, he's just so cute. By the way, I have my laptop with me with things written out, so I have some guidance. What in the world do we put on our vision board? How you want to feel and what you want to call in. But in my opinion, pictures work best. How do we get these pictures? Have you ever heard of Pinterest? Go on Pinterest, create a folder that says Vision Board 2023 when you're getting in the energy, because you don't want to be in a negative energy. You don't want to come from any type of like resentment when you're doing this. No, you want to be super excited, like, yes, I cannot wait to go on Pinterest. I cannot wait to add these things into the folder. I cannot wait to go out and you can use magazines, you can cut them out. But in my opinion, I don't like using magazines because you're super limited, right? Pinterest, you can search and you have all of these options. It's all symbolic, right? You don't have to Photoshop, but you can. I like to recommend pick pictures if there's a person in it that kind of looks like you, has the same like body shape, hair color, skin color as you, so that when your subconscious mind sees these pictures, it knows that it's you and not maybe like someone else. When you look at the pictures that you're gonna put on your vision board, ask yourself, does this feel right with me? Does this resonate with me? And also make it fun, invite friends over. It's not that serious. That also brings me to my next topic, and that, no, it's not serious, but it's very personal. So like I said before, invite friends over. Yes, you can, but. Please listen loud and clear. If we do it all together and someone's like, oh my gosh, I really want a property this year. I really want to invest in a property. And if that's not like what you really want this year, you might just feel like, oh my gosh, I guess I should put that on. Oh, I guess I should put that on. No, do you really want to put it on? When it comes to your vision board, the universe takes everything literally. That's why it's that important to be very specific with your vision board. Key points of manifestation. It is not your job to worry about how or when. Not your job. Just worry about what you want to manifest and why you want to manifest it, okay? If you want to manifest $1 million, understand why you want it. So you can build more businesses, so you can do this, so you can do that. It is only your job to trust and believe that it'll happen. Even when it looks like it may not happen, believing that it will is it. Something that I like to touch on is time. Time can really frustrate people, but it is not our job. It is up to the universe to bring it into our life or God at the right timing. Some affirmations I like to say is, I want this or something better. So when I'm going into my vision board, it's I want this or something better, right? Because what about the best case scenario? I don't ever worry about the worst case because then I set myself up for failure. I used to do that, okay? I used to do that. Put it where you see it every single day. Put it where you can focus on every single day. Yes, that might mean it may not go with the aesthetics of your neutral bedroom that's like all beiges because your vision board has color on it. That's okay. It could be in your workspace. You could put it as your screensaver. You could put it on the background of your phone. You could put it in your bathroom, wherever you're gonna see it every single day. The process is up to you. You know, you can cut it from magazines, you can put it on your screensaver, you can do whatever you want with it, digital or physical. Some people like to use their vision boards to meditate. Some will look at it before their meditation and go into meditation. Some will look at it for a few minutes in the morning and at night and actually visualize. And that is what I recommend. Be intentional. The more intentional you are about it, the more energy you put into it, the more it'll come true. So don't be hard on yourself. If you forget to do it in the morning, that is okay. I have 2 things I want to share with you that are very important. Number 1, I have a free 6-step manifestation method that I want to gift to you guys. I'm going to put it in the comments down below. It's how I have manifested my life. I created another video that's 15 things you need to know before creating your vision board. That is all, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if it resonated. If you want more videos about manifesting, I would love to talk because I could talk for days. Subscribe to this channel. Follow me on Instagram at jessica.tellian. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Let me get my dog. He's just the cutest. He was sleeping. You're gonna be in my thumbnail. I love you so much. Bye.